In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a viral AI photo with a celebrity using Google Gemini. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. In the search bar, type Google Gemini and press Enter. From the results, click on the official Google Gemini website. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a plus icon. Tap on it to upload your photo. Now, select a clear and high-quality picture of yourself for the best results. After uploading your photo, it's time to get creative. You'll see a prompt box where you can type your instructions. Here, enter the name of the celebrity or describe the kind of image you want to create. Make sure your prompt is clear and specific so the AI can generate a better result. Next, go to the menu and look for the Tools option. Tap on it and select Create Images. This tells Gemini AI to combine your photo with the prompt and generate your image. Now, tap on the Submit button to start the process. It may take a few seconds, so be patient while the AI creates your image. And just like that, your AI-generated photo with a celebrity will be ready. You can now download it, share it on social media, or keep it for yourself. That's it. You've just created a trending AI celebrity photo using Google Gemini. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.